So I'm sitting here, I'm thinking, oh, everyone's been asking me for this bloody video. So I thought, why not? Give you some evidence, some hard proof that this actually works. I'm going to show you guys how to gift the V-Bucks using this loophole I found in the gifting system. Season 6, I've updated my techniques, and if you have a look up in the top right, we've got actually 1,200 V-Bucks right now. I'm going to gift myself another 500 V-Bucks from my other account doing that technique. So I'm going to go head over to this account, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, so I've just loaded up on my other account. You saw the username. So I'm up on IAX was taken, and I'm going to go over to the item shop and work it out. It is 500 V-Bucks. So I'm thinking I'm going to gift this one, but I'm not going to gift the actual dance. I'm going to gift the value of the dance. So I click on this one, and I go, hold your chat, and I click this one. You want all brackets. Oh, a bit autistic here. All brackets. Send V-Bucks. All uppercase, sorry, I'm an idiot. Send V-Bucks value. And then you want to go bracket glider. So you're basically just telling the system that it's the glider that you want to send the value of, and oh no, right, yeah. So I send V-Bucks glider, and then I'm gonna go out of that, and I'm gonna spam the send, and then I'm gonna press back, go into my friends, and I'm gonna send it to. Oh no, I'm adding people now. Bit of an idiot here. I'm gonna go down to my account, and I'm gonna go. Oh, I'm gonna find the account. Jesus. Alright, go down to the account, and I'm just gonna go join party. Once you've done this, it's gonna start trying to join the party. Then you wanna hold chat, and you wanna go send now. You press start, and then you want to turn off your system. So you basically just told the system to send those V-Bucks over to the account. And I'll head over to that account now, and I'll show you guys the footage of me actually getting those V-Bucks. We've all been wondering, how do you gift V-Bucks in Fortnite? One of the most popular questions I've been asked. I've uploaded videos, but it's not good enough. You just want evidence. You want proof. Look at my V-Bucks. That is a 1,700 V-Bucks. I only had 1,200. Look, I just got 500 V-Bucks. I'm telling you guys, this method works. I've just loaded up this game, and I've got the 500 V-Bucks I just gifted from my other account. Just plain as simple as that. Like I said in the last video, tell me how much you reckon this account's worth now. Who knows? It might be worth more with that extra 500 V-Bucks. But I do have a load of stuff. If I go into my locker, I've got loads of stuff. I've got a bunch of rare dances. I've got bloody skins out my asshole. Let me know, what's your value of this account? Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.